Hey there, everybody. So, let's talk about the dangers of a burnout in an unsafe area, I guess you would say. So, yeah, anyway, we'll get right back to it on that here in a minute. Yeah, fun stuff, let me tell you what. All right. So, as some of you may know, a little bit ago I took my family out on vacation because had some medical stuff come up. So, trying to take our minds off of stuff, figured we'll jump in the car, go to the coast. Great time, as always. But on the last day, in the Point St. George parking lot, while we were getting out to go to the beach one more time before we left, so we had a couple kids come shooting into the parking lot, quick as lightning, fast as day. So they just decided that they were going to do burnouts in the parking lot. In doing so, like you probably saw in the picture, we had our window blown out, which there's actually security footage on another YouTube channel. I'll put that in the description. But yeah, so we lost our window that day, and come to find out, sorry about the background noise too, I'm here down in the city, but it was a fun time, but that security footage caught the license plate, so the sheriff's department whipped right over when they got the family, brought them to where it happened, and we exchanged information, but yeah, doing so, everything filed through Geico. So going through Geico, had to wait on that for a bit. We ended up waiting almost 2 weeks on insurance. Come to find out, their insurance was not active. So guess who's footing the bill on that? I am. But accidents happen. It's just, yeah. So just, that's why when there's burnout competitions, they have it in a safe environment. So, we all love to do it. I've done it a time or two, but please don't do it in a parking lot with cars around, especially when there's people in the cars and you rocket a window or a rock through the back window, almost hitting the people inside. So it's no hard feelings to the kid, but please think safety when you're doing stuff like that. Now, we all do it, it's natural, we all like to have fun, but again, please do it in a safe area. But so, like I said, I ended up footing the bill. Nice brand new window, and like I said in one of my shorts, come here. Awesome service, awesome people, quick, good prices, really good to deal with. So, on that note, I've done enough rambling for this video. But again, please, if you're going to do burnouts and silly stuff like that, well, it's not silly, it's cool. And they did have a good burnout. I will give them that. So, I don't know if you guys will see that, you know, you kids, but there's no hard feelings. Alright. Just, please, next time, think safety. Alright, that's all I ask. So, alright, anyway, enough of me rambling. See you guys on the next one.